Hello students of Standard 7th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic of your unit attitude, courage beyond understanding. Dear students, before proceeding further, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. Courage Beyond Understanding is a story of a courageous girl, Krimali Joshi, who was 17 years old and she has just completed her schooling. And she was getting ready for an interview for a sales girl position. She left her apartment, but she thought that her hairstyle was not good, so she again went to her home. Suddenly, what happened? An explosive loud sound made her deafened. Everything began to crashing down. The whole 4-story building had crushed downwards. Krimali and her family was in that building. Krimali and her family immediately escaped serious injury, but could not make their way through the sharp edges. But Krimali thought if she will not able to come out from there, the family will be ruined. So, with full courage, she tried to come out from the concrete which were on her. As coming out from there, it was her duty to first rescue her family, and she was thinking that only. But at that time, she listened to a woman who was crying loudly and saying to save her child. Krimali went there and with huge courage, she saved the little baby. And she gave the baby to someone who were rescued by others. Let's see what happens next in the story. After rescuing the little baby, she asked many men to please help her for rescuing other people, but nobody came forward. So she herself started rescuing the people. On her way back to the remains of the building, she spotted a portion of a large door which was extremely heavy, but she managed to drag it herself and put it just below the hanging slab, and by placing it on the rubble tilted upward, she created a sliding board. With Krimali coaching her, the baby's mother partly jumped and partly rolled down the board to the ground level. Krimali led her through the debris where her little child was. When Krimali again went back to the scene, she heard the faint cry coming out of a mound of rubble, which was about 3 meters away. She can see the soles of a pair of bare feet wiggling. Krimali said to herself that she is a woman. She was buried head first and upside down in an almost vertical position. With the help of someone, she tried to pull her out, but her feet couldn't come out. So, both they labored in the shadow of the slab to unearth the woman. You can see in the picture. Then they realized that she was pregnant and clutching her 2-year-old daughter. Despite unable to control crying, mother and child had only very minor injuries. Krimali comforted them and took them to a safety part. In the hours that followed, Krimali made countless rescues. The crumbled building, each time in the shadow of the great slab. In all, observers credited her with the help to save at least 24 men, women and children. She rescued more than 24 men, women and children. But still, 58 people died in the collapse of Mangalam apartment. When 3 months passed, she was surrounded by her adoring family who had witnessed her stunning courage. Krimali does not overplay what she did, means she was not so proud, but she merely tosses it off as something that was beyond her understanding. Whenever she thinks, she says, she never seen such thing as she saw that day. She never did such thing that she did that day. She don't know where the courage has come to her at that time, but she is glad that whatever she did was good and she rescued many people. In this way, dear students, here we end the story of the courageous girl Krimali Joshi. Now dear students, based on our today's session, here is a short assignment for you. Give 3 points each to justify the given statements. The earthquake caused massive destruction. The concrete slab was a big obstacle. Luck favored Krimali. Krimali led a successful rescue operation. Dear students, here are some more questions for you to solve. Would Krimali have recognized her inner strength had the earthquake not occurred? People live for themselves. Their dominant impulse is to secure their own comfort and happiness. But true happiness lies in making others happy. The episode reveals a number of qualities of Krimali. Match the qualities as given in the aid box with the evidence picked up from the text. Aid box: proud, kind, brave, decisive, persuasive, religious, intelligent. Just read the evidences and write the quality which can come in the blank. Dear students, the story presents many contradictory emotions, qualities and situations. Fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words given below. You all know antonyms means opposite words. So write the opposite words of all these words. Here is one last exercise for you. You are Mr. Arvind Shah, the president of Mangalam Apartments. 3 months after the earthquake, you hold a meeting for the surviving residents of the apartments to honor Krimali. Prepare this speech to be given on the occasion and speak it out in the class. Include the following points. Krimali, as you know her, the courage she displays, how you wish to honor her. Dear students, here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.